Gardner Bam Bam, home alone with baby Tarda Bird. The 23rd of December, right into the Tarda Bird and Opila Bird house. Wow, thank you, Opila, for inviting us to your very fun thing that you're doing tomorrow. So many fun things till midnight. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. I can't believe you joined us. Wow, I am so grateful. Why you look big? I thought you were small. Well, someone wanted me big, so I decided to turn back to big. I like you when you're smaller. Hey, cool. Oh, I guess they're getting packing because they bring in everything. Cool. Wow, I can't believe we are trying to challenge that. I may select this whole king. Cuh. You didn't make this idea. I did because it was there and I thought of it. Cuh. No, you didn't think of it because you're so dumb. Go! Go! Get off me, you stupid sister! Go! Go! Call. I don't care anymore. I don't even want to go on this fun thing on Christmas Eve. Call. I don't like this family. I hate this family. I'm going to bed, and I hope that I have a better day than you do. Cool. I hate my mother. I wish this family could disappear. When they're gonna leave me home alone, even though I'm only a couple weeks old. The next morning, go. All right, let's go. Woo. Go. I don't care about you all. Cool. Go. Okay, go then. Bye. Cool. They made my family disappear. 12 hours later. Gosh, this is perfect. With all my traps in the house, I'm gonna prank all my friends, and then my parents will be so mad. Now to eat junk food. Oh, these candy canes are so good. Oh, popcorn. Ooh, my homemade. I forgot what this is. Huh? What was that? I gotta go check the door. Okay, let's see. Alright, Baba Traps, we gotta rob this house. But who are you? You're King, the original one. Yes, and I want my revenge from me getting replaced. Alright, but I'll go through the back and you go through this front. Got it? Alright. Alright. No, they're trying to run my house. I gotta protect it. I just gotta go get those traps. Alright, this very hot snowman will hurt his hand for sure. Now I just gotta. Ooh, it just shut it. Alright, let's touch it. Psst. Oh, my hand! There's no snow. This sucks. Ah! I'm gonna have to. Ah! What are you looking at? All right. What is that? Whoa! It was ice. I'm going through the back. All right, first Kinger, I've reached the here. Don't even look at the stairs. I'm almost free to some money. Ew, ew, what is this? Is this ketchup? Ew. I would like it, but no. Ew. Just keep walking. Ew! Even more ketchup! Ew! There's not more. Ah! There's even more ketchup! Ow! I had to take off my shoes. Okay. I have reached the. Ah! Oh, my foot! Now I'm covered in more ketchup. I'm coming for them. Let's see if the door is open. All right, I can. Man, it's too jump. I'm gonna have to. Ah! Whew. I made it in. All right, let's see if there's anybody. Hey, let me in! Huh? Let me in! Oh, there you are. Get in. Ah! Why the heck are you covered in ketchup? Why you have a hand burn? Just forget. I'm gonna turn on this light. Ah. What is that? I'm gonna go sit down. Look, there's a pot of. Original Kinger? Are you dead? Give me a second, I'm gonna get a napkin. You stupid robbers, you better come get me. I'm really scared. You hear that? Yeah, it's someone. Someone's inside this house. Let's go get him. Ew, you're still covered in ketchup. All right, I hope you're here. You weren't gonna do crap. Don't worry, Kinger. I'll get him. Ow. All right, I think there is one more trap right next to the door. I'm gonna go put the stove down. There we go. This will hurt him a lot. Hey! Gotta go from the front door. Come get me, you stinky bandits. We're gonna kill that kid. I'm gonna do it first. Oh, Legos! Ow! Ow! My it hurts! It hurts! No! Ow! Get off me! Oh gosh! Ow! Oh! I can't even step! Oh! Officers! There they are right there. Oh, there they are. Well. It's just the wet bandits. Bring us to jail. Kid, you little. Do not mess with my friends. Right, thank you, Bird. Now I'm gonna bring these guys to jail. And Merry Christmas. We'll get you next year or sometime. Shut up. Ah! Okay, bye-bye. Oh wait, I think I know who that is. There you are. Let me give you a hug. Cool. Well, it's been a really long day. Nothing to do. Cool. Well, I guess that's it. I guess we're going home. Cool. All right. Cool. You really had a good time. Well, I had a good one. And Merry Christmas, Mother and Father. Cool. Next video will come out tomorrow. See you later.